What's good, American Av Geeks? Let's get this. I'm currently at Orlando International Airport. Look how clean. I just bought this. Look how clean this thing is. Southwest 737. I think this is a Max 8. I should fire out. Look how detailed. It kind of looks chrome from the camera because, jeez, I'll be making videos. I have to pause it in security, I think. So let's just see it first land. Holy butter, bro! That was butter. Trust. First departure. I know I'm acting childish. Because I love planes, boys. Everyone that watches me probably likes planes. Hopefully. I'm not flying on Southwest though. I'm flying on Breeze. I like my pants. Bye.